Ebusiafo wa from DJ Park or Rich. Na men hu there abrosani bi webu wo Cape Coast. Beye this week in some of Cape Coast ba no nyan some or ye day. Into a day ye di ye na ne sifom na ye take drastic decisions. Na okemen kutia nka abrosani biara wo Cape Coast a oya natsedani bia wo mbunu ngufum. Yes, oye iconic there ye krom ye wan natsedana nimune ye ntabo wa sabi impossible ma obi wo top floor olubu adwuma obi wa assault kwichin nkoye nice or ye different new generation won hu bida. But considering the life of people in and one hour around the building and one consult pon natsedani bi oya abrosani bia won bunungu fom won ko wini ba natsedani oya abrosani bia won bunungu fom. The reason is that oya death trap them say ibinum si edani si baby a insu wa wobubu danen. They should do the same thing to these things. Basha some of these buildings and assassin obi we busuani mu a wa brochi another wa bobro pedal or ye new building but osro because ye nyim ebusua bi o ho a se kokko bubu wo da na ye young boy na kesi a wo be si dan na ewie na we siu nti ayi abana nkesa mfa no sensible no bubu abrosani biara oye na tsedana wa ye weak won bubu won yina Cape Coast bebre kwa nam Kotakrabal London Bridge abrosani bebre na tsedan. Then let's beautify our city. Sisi adano ye fe nyina ekezizi kronechi. One ma won bubu na won sisi dano ye fe. Some of these buildings can be hotels, can be restaurants, can be business joints. One fast asenema investors na won nyama ikoni munya fe. I'm sure you verse back at Afrebe one na wasuma na another ba no board some no reka. We are moving forward. And we need to beautify our cities and also consider our health in a safety. It don't be a 200 years, 150 years, in the hands of the Kroma, Abrosana Natsadana Yadi flex. Please, it's about time. Winneba, Southbourne, Cape Coast. Them colonial story buildings no ya Natsadana, Indrianian Tabu now was I was soon plan we marshal. Yes, it's about time. Let's get rid of them. I don't know what you think, but I feel that if we had broken these buildings away, in Kayambambodu Dame in Pempendui, or from DJ Park or Rich, Ishema Botumakade all be lie, another fucking things.
I want semi emi neighbor. I want semi emi neighbor. I want semi emi neighbor.
All be lie. It be set up.